Hi guys, hello everybody. Have a prettiest morning, have a great time to all of you and welcome to our YouTube channel that is Edumotion Tutorials, the power of education. This is a pure educational YouTube channel and we will provide you the best of the best quality and high-tech education. So please guys, subscribe our channel, like it, share it as much as you can and please comment it because your small step of a response, it will an empowerment of us and it will encourage us to provide you the best educational services. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram as well as Twitter with the same brand name in India, that is Edumotion Tutorials, the power of education. So keep watching and don't forget to press the bell icon. It will provide you the new notifications and we will be glad to provide you the educational services.
Direction of x-axis are given by angle made by the line. मैंने आपको पहले ही इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है. Whenever angle is given means inclination of that line is given. Means first is that your 45 degree. First question, if theta equals to 45 degree, therefore the slope of line m equals to tan theta and that is equals to m equals to tan. What is the value of theta? 45 degree. Then m equals to trigonometry में मैंने आपको यहाँ पे टेबल ड्रॉ करके दिया था. tan 45 1 means slope of that line m equals to 1. This is your first question. Easy, कुछ भी नहीं. Then second question, theta equals to 60 degree. Therefore, the slope of line m equals to tan theta, that is equals to tan 60. Then tell me that value of tan 60. Root 3. आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? Root 3. And third is that theta equals to 90 degree. Therefore, the slope of line m equals to tan 90 degree. And what is the value of tan 90 degree? Tan 90 का value infinity आता है. We write slope cannot be defined. यहाँ पे slope आप define नहीं कर सकते, उसका आंसर infinity आता है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या था आपका? First question is that angle made by the line with the positive direction of capital X axis are given by. First problem is your 45 degree, second is problem is your 60 degree and third problem is your 90 degree. और ये आपका solution होगा. Then go to second question. Second question. First is that find the angles of the line passing through the point A of coordinate 2, 3, B of coordinate 4, 7. If you have to given 2 coordinate, मैंने बताया था. Whenever 2 coordinate is given at that time, slope of this line y by x. If 2 point is given, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Means if you write is your x1 y1 x2 y2, therefore the slope of line m equals to line y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then what is the value of y2? 7 minus y2 y1 3. आपका y2 का वैल्यू 7 y1 का वैल्यू 3. Then x2 4 minus x1 2, that is equals to 7 minus 3 4, 4 minus 2 2. Then we get 2. That is your first answer. If you have to given two coordinate. A have coordinate x1, y1, B have coordinate x2, y2. Then the slope of line m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then 7 minus 3, 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Yeah, आपका first problem is complete. We go to second problem. Next is that P have coordinate minus 3 comma 1 and Q have coordinate 5 comma minus 2. Same procedure is here. P के coordinate आपकी क्या है? minus 3 comma 1. This is your x1 y1 and Q have coordinate we write 5 comma minus 2. This is your x2 y2. Therefore the slope of line PQ equals to m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then what is the value of y2? y2 minus 2 minus y1 1 divided by x2 x2 5 minus x1 minus 3. Then we get minus 3 divided by 5 minus minus plus 3. Then minus 5 plus 3 minus 5 1. Okay. Next. The second question we have here. Next is that. Third question. C have coordinate 5 comma minus 2. Then if you get x1 y1 and next is that D have coordinate 7 comma 3, D have coordinate 7 comma 3 and this is your x2 y2 and we have to find the slope of the line CD. We have to find the slope of the line CD. Therefore we can write the slope of line CD equals to write y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. What is the value of y2? 3 minus y1 minus 2 divided by x2 7 minus 5 3 minus minus plus 2 divided by 7 minus 5 then 3 plus 2 5 and 7 minus 5 2 that is equals to 5 by 2. That is your third problem. Next. Next is that fourth problem. LR coordinate minus 2 comma minus 3 and MR coordinate minus 6 comma minus 8. Okay. Then first we assume that this is your x1 y1 x2 y2. Therefore the slope of line LM equals to be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then what is the value of y2? y2 minus 8 y1 minus 3 divided by x2 minus 6 minus 2. Then we write minus 8 minus minus plus 3. Then minus 6 minus minus plus 2. Then 8 3 minus 5 and minus 6 plus 2. This is your minus 4. Then we get 5 by. That is your next problem. Fourth problem. Next is that next problem is that ER coordinate minus 4 comma minus 2 and FR coordinate 6 comma 3. If you assume that this is your x1 y1 x2 y2. Therefore the slope of line EF equals to write y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We write y2 3 minus y1 minus 2 divided by x2 6 minus, this is your minus 4. then minus minus plus 3 plus 2, then minus minus plus 6 plus 4. 3 plus 2 5, 6 plus 4 10, that is equals to 1 by 2. Next your fifth problem. Next is that last problem of this question. T of coordinate 0, minus 3 and S of coordinate 0, 4. Okay, then this is your x1, y1, x2, y2. Therefore, the slope of line TS equals to, we take y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, y2 y2 4 minus of minus 3 x2 0 minus 0, then 4 plus 3 divided by 0, 7 by 0. अभी मैंने फर्स्ट tan 90 के वैल्यू के टाइम्स मैंने बताया था, डिनोमिनेटर में 0 आ रहा है, डिनोमिनेटर में, at that time slope cannot be defined. Therefore the slope cannot be